Undercover armor flex on a Toyota Tacoma. Premium hard folding cover by Undercover. When you lock the tailgate, it's secure. If you lower your tailgate, you can open it. You lift this from either side, and that's what unlocks it from the rail system. So this has a custom rail system with weather sealing. It has the clamps that are clamped onto the side of the truck. And then you can flip this cover up and get your ability to buckle it here and drive with it open in this position. You can flip it up all the way to your back and get your full bed access. You can prop it up here while you're driving. This one does not touch the back window. It has a premium coated Line-X finish, and it has an integrated tailgate seal. Close the cover, shut the tailgate. This sits very low profile. You get a 5-year warranty on it. It's in stock for your Toyota Tacoma. We also installed these nice 4-inch black sidebars, custom fit. These are called the 4X by Steelcraft. The best accessories for your Tacoma, Ram, and Chevy at Truck Access Plus.